Diabetes is increasing day by day all over the world and in India also. Diabetes needs regular treatment, regular checkup by your doctor, and you have to control your diets also. Fasting sugar should be below 100 mg, and PP sugar, that is after 2 hours after meal, it should be less than 150. You should have regular exercise, regular taking of the diet, and walking exercise. These three are the must. Otherwise you will have diabetes tauopathy. Tauopathy means you will have retinopathy, your eyes will be diseased, loss of vision or retinopathy. Neuropathy means you will have tingling and numbness, सुन हो जाती है हाथ पांव. And the third is nephropathy. Nephropathy means you will have kidney disease, raised urea and creatinine. So to prevent these, you have to follow these three things: diabetes control, blood pressure control, regular consult your doctor, take your medicine at the time, and regular exercise. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.